spinning out. That's probably what it was from, hitting bumps like that. I bent my rim actually. Oh God, that's why I didn't look. Nice. What the fuck? Oh my God. This is what he had to go through last week. Damn. With this bike, he can keep up with me. That's what's nice, is he can keep up with me on this bike. But yeah, while he's on that bike and I'm on this little ass bike, he can keep up really nice. What the fuck is this? Is this a trail? It is the trail. It is a trail. No, turn around. Okay, yeah, he turned around. Good. Because that wasn't the trail. Go, go, go. Yeah, go. I'll follow you. All right. We're through. Holy shit, dude. That's a dead mouse. Oh! Okay. I gotta get back into the flow of it. I think we're headed to Blue Trail. Oh, okay. I remember where Blue Trail came out, I think. It was Blue. Maybe Yellow Trail, I forget. It's been a while since I was in here. Well, since the last time I rode the trail, actually. There we go. He found it. Dude, he's really good with the Raptor, too. He knows how to fucking come through here real quick. Oh, man. Ow. Dude, these trails are gonna be fucked. This was the loop I was talking about. like 2 videos ago. Maybe 3 videos ago. I forget. Yeah, this was the loop I was talking about, actually. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my, oh, this is pink. Oh. Man. Ow. Oh, great. We're here now. Fucking Deadwood Trail. I gotta draw a map of this place. That's what I should do. Get the property. That would be sick if I could draw a map of this place. Fuck, dude, that'd be nice. Get a 3D map of every trail. Ow. Foot just slipped off the foot peg, great one. Yeah, I remember taking this the other way. This is gonna bring us right to, oh, dude, that just, oh, that hurt. That fucking hurt. Ow. Oh, fuck. Oh, dude, that actually hurt me. I actually like being back here because it's quiet, you know? What the fuck? Yeah, it's a hole. Yeah, it's a ShopRite bag thing.
Put it in the hole.
Take a photo.
Put it in the hole so nobody busts their ass in there.
Yeah, take a photo of this. Here, I'll do it on my phone.
Yeah. No, we turn around.
I can stand on it. No, I'm not gonna try that.
Looks like they broke firewood. I hear bikes.
Yeah, I hear them too. There's nothing over here. Oh, he didn't even follow me. Let's turn around then. Go all the way through there. How did this happen?
I hit that. The throttle got stuck and threw me into this.
Did you brake?
I went sideways into it. Threw me off the bike.
Are you okay?
Yeah, not funny.
Oh my god. Oh fuck.
Not funny. Yo, this hit the tree.
Wait, hold up. Explain to me what happened.
The throttle hit the throttle hit the tree.
And it pinned it.
And it pinned it. And it threw me off. I couldn't have no I had to ride it out.
So you're okay, right?
So far, it threw me off.
What the fuck is this? Alright. We gotta bend this back. Because we're not gonna be able to get it out if we're not gonna. Alright, wait, hold up. Let me. No shit. Hey, wait, so this hit the tree?
Hit the tree.
What the fuck?
Wait, you see, look. Came around this.
Did you come too quickly, I guess?
No, not really. But what happened was when I came around this, the wheel hit. I think this side, and I guess when it jolted me,
you pinned the throttle.
I pinned the throttle.
And you
the
just
regular throttle. You know what I'm saying? Not this. This.
Oh.
And it just shot me up in the air, and it went sideways right into this boom, and then just swung around and threw me off.
You're not hurt though, nothing?
My knee hurts a little bit. That's not I'm alright.
Yo, I have this on video right now. I got this on video. I'm like, oh man, that would have been gold. I want to take photos of this damage now.
Even this I broke.
What? That's been broken though.
It's bent.
That thing is bent?
It's bent.
No, that's how it is.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's how it was, yeah. No, that's how it is. That's how they're built, like that. That's okay, that side's fine. Dude, I thought you didn't break.
Oh, look, even this is bent.
Where's it bent? Oh, it's bent all right. Yeah, it's bent.
Yeah, because I hit that tree.
You still got the old one, right?
Yeah.
Good. Put that one on here. That's bent. It's fucked up. You're not gonna be able to ride it till we get that thing unstuck. Dude, he's gonna fuck up. Stop really quick, dude. Your fucking axle's bent. Your axle's bent.
What?
Your axle's bent, dude. Your axle's fucked.
This one?
Yeah, look at it. Look at it sideways.
Yeah.
No, dude, pull this out because you're gonna fuck something up now. You're gonna fuck this up. This is what you're gonna fuck up, your fucking back brake.
All right, well, I gotta fucking do something about it. I want to get it over there somewhere.
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up, gimme. Just move, just move. Move, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Yeah,
watch out.
jump on it. Let me see.
It's better. Somewhat.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Watch out. Let's get this thing to the shop. To the truck.
Hold up, hold up, hold up. Wait. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Alright, just go. Yo, go slowly. Go slowly. So he's got to put, okay, rear grab bar, he's got one of those. He's got a stock one that he's going to put back on probably. He's got that he's got to do. He got to put new Nerf bars on. If not, just take them off and just stop using them. Got to put a whole new foot peg on and everything. And a new axle. I don't know how that snapped off.
Hit the tree.
Yo, this is crazy.
It hit the tree. If it wasn't for this, I'd be fucked up.
So it saved you.
Saved my leg.
Yeah, your back. Don't use your back brake. Oh, sorry about that. Dude, how the fuck? Wait, hold up. Did you bend your hub?
Dude, I fucking bent everything. This thing went launched in the air. You had to see this shit, the way I fucking flew.
Dude, I really feel bad for you.
It hurt.
I bet it did. No, I bet it did. I bet it did, dude. I don't doubt that. I feel bad for you. Wait, this is gonna be at my house. Oh, I'm fixing this bike.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm taking her
to work.
No, oh my god.
You're not gonna fix this. You gotta get this new.
Dude, you know I can fix your bike.
This new.
No, and you gotta get a new rear axle.
Yeah.
Look at your axle. Oh, and look, this right here, the grab bar, just put the old one back on. Cause your grab bar's bent.
Yeah.
At least it didn't break. But yeah, you gotta get this whole new piece, this whole new foot peg and heel guard new.
This is hitting the tire. We gotta get this away from the tire.
Because that will pop it. That will pop it.
It's already getting hot. Oh.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, hold up.
You're not bending that shit.
Yeah, well, watch me. Yo, I have a saw. I can try cutting it. A small little one.
That ain't gonna work. You got tools in there, no?
No. I got like nothing. I didn't bring anything with me. I brought a multi-tool. I could cut the net off if you want me to. Unless you want to try to salvage it. Dude, look at that wheel and look at his grab bar. His grab bar is sideways like this. Right. Oh my God. Holy shit, dude. His axle is gone. Yeah, he's gonna fuck his bike up doing that even more. That wheel locks up, you're fucked. He's gonna be dragging it. This way, the dirt bikes, so I don't know. I want to see if I find them. I don't know. I want to ride. You know what? I don't even know. I just want to. I'm bored, so it's boring by yourself. Always 3 bikes. Oh man, this is the soft shit. What the fuck? Oh, I know they came down that too quick. Oh God, this soft sand. Dude, if I had the Banshee, it would have been fine. I keep saying that, dude. I wish I had the Banshee. Because I really do. This isn't bad right here. This isn't bad right here. Yeah, no, this isn't bad right here. Ooh, that's a jump. Another jump. Not many people come out to this side, like ever. The dirt bikes are gone. They were just riding around, I think. We're headed home for the day. There goes him. That guy on that quad. And, well, I don't know. Here am I. By myself too. That was a boat. There's nothing to do. 4-stroke, nice. Is she gonna hit the jump? Ah. That's pretty good, actually. Dude, he has like the same bike as me, dude. It's like struggling. Oh shit. Is that an electric bike? I'm so confused right now what's happening. I'm like king of the hill over here, but no, I'm kidding, I'm fucking. Fuck, got a bike there, bike there, bike there, bike there, and I think another bike back there as well. Definitely. That's possible. Struggle through this. Oh, it's an electric bike, that's why. Is that an old Yamaha? That's an old Yamaha. Oh my god. No, it's because of the ruts that's making me do it. It's the ruts because right now it's chilling. Yeah, this is all hard pack over here. Yeah, I think he lost his buddy. Yeah, that's a small bike too. We're all struggling here, but these are fun bikes to mess with. Fucking boot you. What's up?
What's up?
Fucking thing is struggling out here.
Yeah?
What do you got? 140 and what's that?
230.
Damn. Thought I was struggling. Those things are struggling too a little bit.
Yeah, the sand out here is real soft. You live around here?
Nah, I live in Freehold. I just come down here. My dad just had to put his bike away because he hit a tree.
Really?
His he came around like by the school, and he had a twist throttle on his quad too, and so he pinned the throttle accidentally. It slammed into a tree sideways, it snapped the entire side of the foot peg, everything, like nerf bars and all that. So I'm the only one riding right now. And I saw 3 dirt bikes come through over there, but now they're gone. Yeah. I think they went that way. I don't know.
How's the freehold pit?
Huh?
How's the freehold woods?
It's not bad. I got some property, so I ride on there. All hard pack, so it's I'm not used to this shit.
Yeah.
Do you know about over there?
Oh yeah, I was just riding over there.
Yeah,
the other side.
Yeah.
There's like some cars over there and whatnot.
Yeah.
Over here it's nice, it's quiet. Nobody really comes over here. There's a jump over there at the so I just talked with those guys. They'll be on YouTube. So if they are there, you know what, they were really cool guys. I didn't get their names, but shout out to them for being real cool. They showed me a little jump over here I'm actually gonna hit right now. I'm not gonna hit it full because I don't do jumps. Yeah, dude, I gotta like learn how to do jumps. Alright, so my boy Evan is actually coming right now. Right, so we'll be meeting him sooner or later, which will be really nice. I get to talk to him because, man, I love that guy. He's so cool though, too. So he's riding a 250 now. That is RM125, as you all usually know. Evan rides I think it's a 92 RM125 with a graphics kit on it. Got the Electron carbs on it. He got rid of it. He's riding I actually don't know what he's riding right now. I really don't know what he's riding right now. So, and I think he transitioned to a 4-stroke too, which kind of sucks. It's not a bad jump, but on the GoPro it's gonna look really small. I know it, because it's just a GoPro effect for you. I want to get a 360 cam. That'd be sick. What's up? What's up? Saron, or I think Saron.
Where have you been riding?
I was just chilling around after you guys left.
Oh.
I'm trying to find the guys that parked over there. I'm trying to find them.
What?
There were the guys over there. They're if you see them, let me know. They were riding a brand new Kawasaki KX250 and two.
Hey, look, I'm back to the jump. It's not good, but it's better than it was. Alright.
W interruption.
Yeah, right.
And some and I think it was what, two RMs, two old RMs and a mini bike.
Oh wait, is one of them named Chris, the RMs?
What?
Is one of them with the RMs named Chris?
Maybe.
And I think I know him.
I don't know. I saw them, then I left and then came back. I don't know where they're at.
What grade are you? Are you in high school?
I'm 9th, yeah.
9th grade? Damn.
I've just been trying to find them. I don't know. I don't hear their bikes anymore.
They just left you?
Yeah, because I went that way. I took off without them and I had to leave. So I saw them. The last time I saw them was at the mulch. I don't hear them anymore. They're gone.
Oh, wow.
I mean, I heard a 2-stroke a few minutes ago.
There's they're two strokes, so you'll hear them. I think those are the only ones that are out here that are 2-stroke.